Welcome back to Neelam Co. Thank you for your likes and subscribes. Your support is very encouraging to me. Today I bring you another quick recipe, potato cutlets. So let's get started. To make potato cutlets, we need 2 potatoes, boiled and peeled. And here they are already boiled and peeled. Next we need is half a slice of English muffin already soaked in water until it's soggy. And I am using Ezekiel English muffins. You may use any bread you have at home, but make sure it does not have added sugar. Finally, we need 1 small onion already chopped, 1 green chili already chopped, 1 inch of ginger already chopped, salt and pepper to taste. The next step is to mash the potatoes. Potatoes are now mashed, and now I am going to squeeze the water from the bread. And I am going to crumble the bread on the potatoes like this. And now we are going to mix all the ingredients together: onion, green chili, ginger, and salt and pepper to taste. And now I am going to mix all the ingredients really well. As you see, I am mixing it really well using my hand. And now I will make small balls to make the cutlets. This is the one. I will make another one. Maybe 2 more. So cutlets are ready now. So next step is to cook them. To cook the cutlets, I am going to use non-stick pan and little bit of olive oil. If you want, you can use skillet for cooking the cutlets. The pan is hot now, so I am going to put the cutlets one by one. And we will wait until the cutlets turn brown from the other side, and then we are going to flip them. The cutlets started to turn brown, so I just flipped them. You may add more oil if the pan starts to dry. Cutlets are ready now. I am going to transfer them in the plates. The cutlets are ready to eat. You may serve it with tomato ketchup. The potato cutlets are a great substitute for hash browns. I hope you like it. Thank you for watching. See you next time with my another video.